Now is available at McCarthycars Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, diesel 60 plate 2010, metallic grey. Car has front headlight washer, front fog lights, front parking sensor, 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor, reversing camera. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX chassis preparation, rear heated seats, for electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, Boston premium sound system, electric seats, memory as well. Car has satellite navigation. It's got reversing camera, hard drive, it's got aux connection, USB, DVD-ROM, it's got Bluetooth, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, central armrest, multifunction steering wheel, it's got cruise control, front auto headlights, thank you for watching.